Now, because we're going to be measuring in microns, in other words, the thickness of the layer of CA glue, we're going to measure it in microns, we're going to do everything metric because it's a lot easier to convert everything. Now, probably most of you know, but just in case there's somebody that doesn't, there are 1,000 microns in a millimeter. And there are 1,000 millimeters in this meter stick. Now, you're probably saying, well, this is a yardstick. Well, it would be if it stopped here where it says 36, but it's actually a meter stick. And yeah, we're going to do everything in metric. Let's go. Now, you will have noticed that I was comparing the scale on the caliper to that of the plastic ruler, and as near as I can tell, they're exactly the same. Well, like I said before, close enough for us. Right now you can see the caliper on the screen. And it's at minimum magnification. What we're going to need for that little thin layer of CA glue is maximum. And you know what? I can't guarantee that this is even going to work, but it should. So I'm going to go to maximum magnification and then I'm going to refocus. Get it as sharp as I can. Okay, now I'm going to take my meter stick here, and by the way, from here to here represents 1 millimeter. So what we're going to do now is we're going to measure from the center of one line to the center of the other, and it's approximately 100 and let's see here, 110 millimeters. So in other words, it's 110 times bigger on the screen. Okay, I think I found a place here where the layer is fairly consistent and it's easy to see where it stops and starts. I'm just going to get it focused as best I can here. I would say that's about it. Now I'm zoomed in as close as I can get, same as before. And we will measure now the thickness. And here we go. It's 17 millimeters. So we can use 17 millimeters as one of the factors. Yeah. We know that on the screen it measured out to 17 millimeters. However, we also know that on the screen it's 110 times bigger than it really is. So that's easy, we just calculate it out. So what we'll do is we'll take 17 and divide it by 110 and it comes out to 0.15454 repeating. So in other words, it is 0.154 millimeters thick. So now to calculate the how many microns that is, well, we know that there's 1,000 microns in a millimeter, so we just multiply it by 1,000. So it is 154.5 microns. Yeah, round it off. We'll call it 155 microns thick. Now, wasn't that fun?